Yengbiriba khwai pumnamupu tenjing pukhamamna ikokna khurumjari adomna yengbiriba asi Impact TV gi Brainwave quiz season 2 gi episode 5 ni, which is sponsored by Thoi Thoi Adventure Park Changai Ge Thel Takhalim Konjin City Higher Secondary School, Mang Infal, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Yangthang, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials Kunung Mamang. Punna team kuntaret preliminary round dagi khangatlaba matungda akoina team kuntaret asida pool amamam khaidoktuna competition tawrokpagi quiz asi chatharakpagi tangkak manga suba haibadi pool E gi stage adu akoi yaure aduna pool E da lairiba team asi team A B amasung C ni. Team A dana Brighter Star Public School loitang kuno, team B Unified Brothers Andro, and team C Standard Robert Kanchipur. So before we start our quiz, let us first have the privilege to introduce our team members here. Akoi team members sing dagi akoi introduction amamam akoi ishagi ming ne laifam ne standard ne adumatang akoi gi yengbirba pumna magasida habinaba takpinaba kudong chabdu lomina si team A dagi hojage. Team A.
I giving Hizam Tolia Devi. I Brighter Star Public School the class 10 Tamjari.
I giving Priyanka Khangimbang. I host class 10 Tamjari. Aduga I ngasi represent Secretary School as mamingna Brighter Star Public School loitang kun.
I giving Manimutum Kawi. I Unified Brother English School the class 8 Tamjari.
Myself Malam Ganba of class 10. I'm representing Unified Brothers English School.
I myself Miras Ahmad from Lelong Tami High studying in 9th standard, and I am representing Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur.
Myself Nancy Kontozam. I am studying in class 10 and I am from Kyangge.
Okay, thank you all the teams. Aduna quiz asi koi hauna ba tawrage adu team A B amsung C fazana relax tawraga without any nervousness ko answer se PB naba. So give your best performance and all the best. Okay, koi episode 5 pool E asigi koi quiz asida round punna manga as always akoi laigani. The first round is general awareness round. Second round is current affairs and IT round. Third round is the audio and visual round. Fourth round is buzzer round. And fifth round is mixed bag round. Adongi screen gi mamang da sudum every questions will be displayed. Adun yam munna yengbiraga answers it PBO. Okay. First round se ko hauzaba ya.
Yes,
okay. So the first round, general awareness round. Round asigi instructions. Round kudimaki instructions yam munna tabiraga. Adom yam munna khalaga answer se PB gadabani. General awareness round asi akoina account opening round hainu su kawi. The reason is akoi every team asida akoina chance ani pigani. Chance ani sida the first chance adu da karigumba khumba taragadi will award you 10 points, and if not second chance amuksu lady, and if you answer the correct answer then you will be given a bonus point of 5 points. But the question will not be passed on to the next team. Question adudi mathangi team adudi pass on tawroi. Each question ase akoina options mari laigani, and within 10 seconds answer achumba answer adu noina khallaga team aduna pibi gadabani. Okay, we have 5 questions here. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Akoi team A dagi hojage. Team A question number 1 dagi 5 phogi manu de ishagi apamba question number choose tobi. 1. Okay, general awareness round. The first question of team A is, if a red object is seen in blue light, it will appear option A, violet, option B, red, option C, black, and option D, green. So you have 10 seconds, your countdown starts now.
A. Violet.
A, violet is the wrong answer, but you still have one chance. Chance amasu lairi aduna your countdown will begin. Muna khalaga habiu.
C.
C, which is black and is the correct answer. So congratulations team A. Team A gi ahanba account adu open tawre. Aduna mathangi team B da mulak sage. Team B gi direct question ni 2 3 4 and 5 question number asidagi apama question number choose tobi.
4.
4. Okay, let's see the question. Which one of the following is the busiest shipping routes of the world? Option A is the Suez route, B is the North Atlantic route, C is the Panama route, and D the Pacific route. Team B, you have 10 seconds. Countdown has begun.
Swiss road.
Swiss road, which is option A and is the wrong answer. I'm sorry. Now, chance amaga lady, the 10 seconds has started.
Option B.
Option B, North Atlantic route. Correct answer. Congratulations, Team B. Bonus answers the Team A amasung Team B. Animak na yam achumba answer pibiraba matungda. The final question of round 1, general awareness round, goes to Team C. Team C. Lemhoriba question asi 2, 3, and 5 ni aduna sidagi apamba ma select to view.
2.
Select obire. Let's see. The question is, East India Company was established in the year. Option A is 1500, B is 1550, C 1600, and D is 1650. So your countdown will start now.
C.
C, which is 1600, and is the correct answer. Congratulations, Team C. Team C gi Standard Robert Kanchipurna yam chumna ahanba chance to the yam chumna kumbire, which was the December 31st, 1600. So congratulations. Now, first round, general awareness round, we'll move on to the second round, which is the current affairs and IT round. Current affairs and IT round, asidadi will have no option for the questions. Questions in the option later, it will be a direct answer ma PB bitare every team na. Aduna, lady option question manga asidagi apamba question ama khanbiraga choose tobiraga adomna answer do within 10 seconds direct answer ma PB gadavani. But if found correct, you'll be rewarded 10 points, and if found incorrect, the question will be passed to the next team. Mathangi team adu the question adu pass tawani aduga kariguma mathangi team duna chumba answer do PB ngamba taragadi mathangi team adu the bonus points oina akoi 5 points award tawjagani. Current affairs and IT round, we have 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll begin with Team B. Team B dagi hojage Team B gi apamba question ama 5 ki manungda choose to be.
3.
Question number 3 choose to be. Now Team B, what is the question? Which component of the computer is also known as temporary memory? Your countdown will start now. Okay, the time is up. Then Team B is in a kumba. Namdrean loser again. The question is passed to Team C. Team C, if you know the answer, you have 10 seconds.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Team C nusu passed our A aduna. The last question goes to Team A. Which component of the computer is also known as temporary memory?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, Team A, B, amasung C ahumak na khangdre haina kumbire aduna. The right answer is RAM, which is also called the random access memory. Okay, fine, no problem. Now the direct question for Team C. Team C the last again. Team C lemho riba khoi question sing asi 1, 2, 4, and 5 ni. Team C, please select your question.
4.
4. Your question is, in which state has Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Mission Schools of Excellence? Your countdown will start now.
Kerala.
Kerala. And your time is up, and Kerala is actually not the correct answer. So we'll pass the question to Team A. Team A the laksage. Your question is, in which state has Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Mission Schools of Excellence? Countdown has begun.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Mumbai is also not the correct answer. So Team B, the last chance goes to you. In which state has Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Mission Schools of Excellence?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat is the correct answer. So congratulations, Team B. The point goes to you. The Mission School of Excellence was launched in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So Team B has given us the correct answer. The last question of the second round, that is the current affairs and IT round, goes to Team A. Team A the laksage. Team A 1, 2, amasung 5 ki manungda apamba question am select of you. 2 select of you. So let's check the question. What is the first aircraft carrier to be built in India for the Indian Navy? Your countdown will start now. Okay, time is up. So team B, you have one more chance to answer the question. What is the first aircraft carrier to be built in India for the Indian Navy?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, team C, the last question is for you. You have 10 seconds.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, team A, B, and C ahumagna question sige answer se khangdre haini khumbiri. Now the answer is INS Vikrant. For INS Vikrant, the R11 asini. Second round, current affairs and IT round asi loikraba matungda akoina lairiba score asi Team A, Brighter Star Public School loitang kunauna 5 points phangduna the third position da lady. Aduga Team B amasung C, Team B dana Unified Brothers Andro, aduga Team C na Standard Robert Kanchipur sina chap manana 10 points phangduna with the same level chathari. Aduna mathangi round sing asida kanana ngamgadabdo haino punna yengminasi. But before we move on to the next round, let's have a quick break. We'll be back soon. Welcome back to Impact TV presents Brainwave Quiz Season 2 Episode 5, which is sponsored by Toto Adventure Park, Sangai Kaitel, Takalembam Konzin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Yangthang, City Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials, Konung Mamang. We have the Pool E group with us. Aduga round 2 asi loi kraba matungda lairiba score asi amutaga hanna mayamda haizage. We have on Team A, Brighter Star Public School loitang kuno with 5 points, and Team B and C, Team B Unified Brothers Andro, and Team C Standard Robert Kanchipur with 10 points. So now after the second round, we have the third round, which is the audio and visual round. Audio ga visual round asidi akoigi chap manana question manga laigani aduda adomna select tawbiriba question adu audio natragana visual oibiyai. Visual do munna yengbiraga natraga audio do munna tabiraga aduga related oiba question amakak hangani within 10 seconds aduda adugi answer chapchaba adu pibigadabani, and for the correct answer you'll be rewarded 10 points. Aduga karimba khangdaba taragadi we have to pass the question to the next team, and the next team, if answered correctly, you will be given 5 points of bonus point. Okay, so let's start. All the best. Now the third round, which is audio and visual round, we have on the screen 5 questions. Team C degi actually Team C 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please choose your question.
2.
Choose to be. Let's see. So it is an audio ni adana audio si amunna tabiro hana.
And what are the things that losers don't like to do? They're the same things that winners don't like to do either, but they do it anyway. Losers don't like to get up in the morning. Winners don't like to get up in the morning either, but they get up anyway. Folks, losers don't like to work hard. Winners don't like to work hard either, but they work hard.
Okay. Now, audio makak takraba matungda your question is, who is this famous motivational speaker? Team C, you'll have 10 seconds to answer.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam is not the correct answer, I'm sorry, and so we have to move on for Team A. Team A, you have 10 seconds. Pass. Okay. Team B dong lang sage.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Team A, B amasung C ahumag na answer si khangdre na. Laujare duna the correct answer is Shiv Khera. Shiv Khera, the famous author and activist and also a motivational speaker. You can win hariba larik adu Shiv Khera na ibiram duna yamna worldwide oina maming laikraba dugumba larik amakhagni. Now the next question will go to Team A. Your direct question 1, 3, 4 and 5. Please choose your question.
3.
3 can be right. Now we have a picture, an image of a person. Your question is, who is this famous comedian of Manipur? You'll have 10 seconds to answer. Okay, time is up, and the Team A has passed the question to Team B. Team B, amunna yengbiro aduga question is, who is this famous comedian of Manipur? Time is up. Team C. You have the chance to answer the question. Okay, your time is also up. Udi uramani adugo maminga punna khangdaba oiramgadaba male ina khanbadako. Munnadi yengeba. Okay, the correct answer is Aribam Brazilal, which is a famous comedian. Ayamba koigi yam entertaining oiba adugumba mayamna sumangle la amasung Manipur feature film da yam toina uba misak amakhagni. Anyway, now the final question of audio and visual round goes to Team B. Team B, the lakchake. Your question remaining is 1, 4, and 5. Please choose.
1.
1 can be right. Okay, we have a picture. Picture as your question is identify the picture. So you have 10 seconds.
SpaceX.
SpaceX was the answer of Team B, and which is not correct. I'm sorry. Team C, the lakchage. Team C, you have 10 seconds.
Pass.
Team C has passed. Team A.
Satellite.
Yes, it is in satellite, but not the correct answer. Akoina pamiba si satellite asigi maming haizabatare ko. Now your time is up. So precisely the correct answer is James Webb Space Telescope haibani ko. Actually, it's the largest optical telescope in space. Maming yam laiba dugumba telescope, space ki telescope ang khangni. So anyway, after the third round, that is the audio and visual round, we are still on the same position of the score. All the teams now quick answers people team B and C is sharing the same position at 10 points, and team A is still lagging behind in 5 points. Aduna chap manana chatharibanina hojik mathangi round asidadi soidana phugalakani haina thajabalai. The fourth round is the buzzer round. Buzzer round asi yamunna tabiro. Buzzer round asi the lairiba question sing asi loinamak option manga khudimak aina display tawrakani. Adubu aina pathok chadringaida display hek tawbaga team adudagi khangbiba yauragadi ahanba buzzer number team aduda akoina answer se pibagi chance adu pigini. If you answer the question correctly, you'll be rewarded 10 points, and if your answer is incorrect, you'll be rewarded a negative points of -5. Aduna buzzer round asidadi yam checksina khumbiyu because you have a negative marking. Aduga once team amana hana buzzer se press tawkhaba matungda lemhoriba team singduna buzzer se press tawragasu buzzer do chatlaroi. Aduna ahanba team duda oina khoi chance adum pigani. Question se aina pathora aba matungda when I say please answer khudakta answer to biro. Aduda buzzer do press tawkhraga khallaga leibadudi that will not consider. Yani ko. Aduna let's begin the buzzer round. So be ready. Kutu buzzer da thamaga ngairaga leibiro. I'll choose the question. The first question, let's see question number 3. Okay, 2 more seconds, but team A, B, and C degi buzzer se amata laktre. The question is, what is the capital of Indonesia? Team A, B, and C ahumang na khangdre na logzerage because the time is up. The answer is Jakarta. Okay, so question mari lady, question mari is degi amamukhala age. Be ready. Question number 1. Okay, team Atayna Sunambadi Maleba, team C has pressed the buzzer first. Team C, the question was currency value of $1 in Indian currency currently. Ivani, please answer.
82.25.
82.25. Okay. The answer is, let's say, 82.29 Indian rupee, but I'm not going to but it is frequently changed over. I'm not precisely Team C will reward you the points. Team C na kumbira pa 82.25 ni adubu. The correct answer was 82.29, but still will consider it and will give you the points. So congratulations, Team C. Now moving on, Team C na yam chum na kumbira khaba matungda. We have 2, 4, and 5. Let us see question number 4. Team B. Team B na please answer.
Manipur.
Manipur. Okay. Okay. Chumyan di lozarage. Our answer akoina sengnamak taning answer to di akoigi Imphal Polo Ground ga haina palapadu taning mani adubu the question na display tawrba matamda world's oldest living polo ground haibani na akoigi world da yang pani na Manipur harapa matamda we have the Imphal Polo Ground aduna we'll consider it. Team B aduna will reward the points to Team B. It was the Imphal Polo Ground, which is the world's oldest living polo ground. Now, so we are left with question number 2 and 5 to the 5 tagi azik last two question has batare buzzer round gi. So be ready. Let's see question number 2. Okay, Team C na hana buzzer je press to be India share land border with how many countries? Please answer.
7.
7 countries. Yes, it is correct. Adubu countries sing adu hypet panbirakpa yagadra. It is correct. It was 7 countries ka shared away with is China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. So congratulations again Team C. Mathangi lemhoriba question C. The last question of buzzer round, question number 5. Let's check the question. Okay, Team C na hamuka hangre, Team B ga C ga yam kanna tanare dewa. Team C na di handokre. The question is, which is the highest mountain peak in India? Have any please answer?
Mount Kanchenjunga.
Mount Kanchenjunga is the correct answer. So congratulations again Team C. Team C na yam chumna kumbirakre Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Ketu haina su khangna baga. That is for India, it is the highest mountain peak. Aduna akoigi Team C na yam phazana perform tawkhraba matungda after the 4th round, that is the buzzer round. Let us see the score on the board. So as expected, Team A, Brighter Star Public School, is still lagging behind with 5 points, and Team B has come up at 20 points in the second position, Unified Brothers Andro, and Team C, Standard Roberts, has lead with 40 points on the first position. Aduna Mathangi round, the last round of episode 5, the last round of Pool E, that is the mixed bag round. The muglaksage mixed bag round asidadi akoigi direct question 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 sidagi choose to biraga team kudimakta chance amamam pigani. You'll have 4 options for each question. Aduga karigumba option mari dudagi within 10 seconds correct answer PB bataragadi will reward you 10 points, and if not, the question will be passed on to the next team with a bonus point of 5 points. So ready for the last round? Okay, we'll start with Team A. Team A dagi haujage mixed bag round. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please choose your question. 5 can be ready. Let's see the question. Which animal can survive longer without water than a camel? Which animal can survive longer without water than a camel? Option A is elephant, B horse, C deer, and D is giraffe. Your time has started now.
A, elephant.
A, elephant is not the correct answer. So the question will be passed to Team B. Team B, please choose your answer.
Giraffe.
Giraffe, which is option D and is the correct answer. So the bonus point goes to Team B. Congratulations Team B. And mathangi direct question asisu Team B gini aduna Team B 1, 2, 3 amasung 4 dagi question am choose to view.
2.
2. Let's see. The Python hydroelectric project completed with the help of Japan is on the river. Aduna, the options are Ganga, B is Godavari, C is Kaveri, and D is Narmada. Your time has started.
Kaveri.
Kaveri. Kaveri, which is option C. Let's check. And is the wrong answer. So Team C, you have the chance to answer. 10 seconds start.
B.
B. Godavari is the correct answer. So congratulations Team C. Team C na yam chumna bonus question asisu khumbirakre and mathangi question asisu koi team C da lakchari. Team C ki direct question ni 1, 3 and 4. The last question of episode 5 pool E goes to team C. Please choose
1.
1. Your question is, the Doge 1 mission to the moon will be launched by which company in 2022? Your options are A, SpaceX, B is ISRO, C is NASA, and D is Roscosmos. Your time has started.
B. ISRO.
B is ISRO and is the wrong answer. I'm sorry. Team A, you still have one chance to answer. Lemhori ba option ahum sidagi. Please answer.
D.
Teng hong na biyo.
D.
D. Roscosmos. Wrong answer. Team B, you have 2 options and you have 10 seconds.
SpaceX.
SpaceX. Yam chumna khumbira is SpaceX is the correct answer. So Team B, congratulations for the bonus points. Doge 1 mission to the moon was funded by cryptocurrency na fund tawraga adumaina chathakiba adugumba launch tawkiba project amakhakni. So congratulations, and that was the end of episode 5, the pool E group, and we'll see at the score that who is the winner of episode 5 pool E. Score da yengaba matungda, we have the result with us, and team A is in the 3rd position. Brighter Star Public School has scored 5 points. Team B yam nakna di chatlaga yam competitive oina di chatli, but you are in the 2nd position with 30 points. Unified Brothers Andro, and the winner of episode 5 pool E is team C, Standard Robert Kanchipur, with a point of 45. So congratulations team C, and you have moved on to the next round, that is the round 2, and all the best and be prepared for the next round. Episode 5 asigi round mga puna thingnakraba matungda, we have our winner team C, that is Standard Roberts Kanchipur, and you were watching Impact TV Brainwave Quiz Season 2, sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangay Kay Telta Kalimbang Konzin, City High School Mayang Imphal, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hiang Thang, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials Konong Mamang. See you in the next episode with new pool. So you were watching Impact TV.